guys, it's an update after straightening my hair with the Shiseido crystallizing hair straightening cream, blah blah blah. So I have finally washed my hair after 2 days. Today I used shampoo and conditioner, and then I just let it air dry, and yeah, this is how my hair looks like. It is less frizzy, it is straight. I mean, the ends are obviously not as good because it was already dry. I know I have to cut them. It does look very flat, if I must say, but it looks less frizzy, so I'm happy about that. Hi, how is everyone? How is everyone doing? Another week, another me. I know you guys are sick of me. We're gonna have a hot pot today. Weather is cold, obviously. A body wants hot pot, so let's have some hot pot. Getting some groceries. Some bubble tea. Oh my word. Oh my god. I said less sugar, but I got the brown sugar one with taro mash milk. Let the shit begin. Because last time I had this, oh my god, I shat everywhere. I had to go to toilet probably 4 times or 5. And it was like water coming out. Imagine a water coming out from your ass. It was a bit too much. It's good enough. I got one for myself and one for my brother. Alright, let's go. Ginger? I know your name is not Ginger, but hi. Suru guys, Suru. Ooh, nice and bubbly. Ooh, nice and saucy. Ooh, nice and sizzly. Whoa. Wow, Dolly Horsani with soy sauce. It's a killer. Oh, my lips. Tofu. Some lamsy. Fortune cookie time. Kyo to kholu na mami. Kholu na bichhod kholu na kina teti ke khana lago. बिचबाट हो होइन होइन त्यो त्यहाँ भाँच्नु न हो त्यसलाई हो त्यसरी भाँच्नु हो त्यसरी भाँच्नु That's it. Mother's first. Pachon. हेर्नु न मम्मी के लेखेछ ल the quieter you are the more you hear it. मम्मीलाई त्यस एक्सप्लेन गर्दै मम्मीलाई एक्सप्लेन गर्दै दियो
मम्मी अलि थोरै बोल्ने धेरै धेरै सुन्छ
के लेखेछ बाबा तपाईँकोमा
This belief destroys the magic, right?
Oh my god! That's so me! Guys, look what I got. It says, do everything with confidence. Without the confidence. You and you, bitch. You and you.